these are our project contributors, that is me and another name is Sagnik Nayek. And we can see also our output of our project. These are description, that is this can be used over here, that is enhanced voice control, which will integrate speech recognition to allow users to speak name instead of typing it, making the app more user-friendly. And we can also have 5-day weather forecast. Also, we incorporate this in our project. And others we use the case diagram over here. Here you can see the user, we are using the use case, and under which we can see the enter and retrieve the weather data and display the weather information. And you can also text to speech output we are getting. Now I am going to present my code on project.
Please run the code. Run the code. Please.
As you can see over here, this is our code on the weather detection polling board. Here you can see the code over here, and if we run the code, you can see over here entire message, and you can see the weather city or forecast. If you provide weather city like Kolkata over here, then we can see that we have got a message over in WhatsApp. See, we have got the WhatsApp message. So you can see this is the at this point of time we are getting the weather notification from video messaging platform. We will be receiving data. So the temperature description is haze and humidity and wind speed. Also we can do one thing, that is we can see the forecast for this city for next one day, 24 hours. You can see over here that if the for next 24 hours is the at today's 6 p.m. and from 9 p.m. and tomorrow's 12 a.m. 3 p.m. and up to tomorrow's 9 p.m. and 12 p.m. And another link, secondly, we have also one voice output over here. We have done using. Also, we have 3 p.m. thing. Secondly, we have also voice output. We are using Python. Voice output program. If we run this code, we use the PCC library. You can see here, sir.
Thank you both, Sagnik.